Which vegetable looks like a tiny green tree? Can you figure it out? 3, 2, 1. Broccoli! Excellent! You're super smart! Which fruit has a big pit in its center? Make your best guess. 3, 2, 1. The answer is mango! Fantastic! You're a fruit superstar! Which fruit is usually red with tiny seeds on its skin? Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. The answer is strawberry! Great job! You're super smart! Which vegetable is often purple and has layers? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. It's onion! Awesome! You got it! Which fruit is often sliced into round yellow pieces? Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. Pineapple! Wonderful! You're doing amazing! Which vegetable is shaped like a little bell? Look closely. 3, 2, 1. The answer is bell pepper. Excellent! You're a superstar!